what's up and welcome back to another video, and you read the title right. Today I'm going to be selling everything in my wardrobe. So technically, if you really think about it, I can't sell everything in my room. Everything in my wardrobe, sorry. But I can sell most of it. I was just cleaning my room up because it got messy, let's be real, and I did try to film a cleaning video, but let's just not go there. Okay guys, so I just wanted to quickly say, if y'all are one of my good friends or any that you know me and you'd like to buy something off my Depop, just message me. They'd like to buy something and you can transfer the money and I can just deliver it to you, so that way you don't have to pay for shipping. I'm really excited to get rid of some of my clothes that don't fit me anymore or aren't my style. And also the real inspiration for filming this video was because I want to film one of those buying my dream wardrobe videos where I buy all my dream wardrobe. I buy my dream wardrobe. So yes, I'm so excited. Let's just get started. I mean, I was cleaning my room, so I don't look, there's a pile of clothes there. So while I put these clothes away, I can sort them into piles. Also, the lighting will probably change throughout this video because I'm currently using my ring light, but it's nighttime, so I've turned my light. Anyway, it's just a whole big ordeal. But yes. Okay, so obviously there's a few things I can't sell, like underwear, my boyfriend's clothes, school uniforms, my work uniforms, my dance stuff, dance costumes. Yet maybe one day I can sell some of my older dance costumes, but for now I cannot. So that's just how things do be. I just cleaned up the floor and I just chucked something on it. Oh my god, I can't with myself right now. Anyways, I have a massive pile of clothes here. You can't see it, but there's clothes here. That I'm gonna sell. I also have a bag and 2 hats that I'm gonna try as well. Probably want to clean up more of my room. There might be more stuff, but for now that's what I have. I'm gonna be using Depop and Poshmark. I'm gonna be putting the same listings on both. Oh my god, the dust in my room is making me sneeze. But yeah, I'm gonna be using those two to sell them. I have a wide variety of clothes. There's jumpers, skirts, dresses, tops, leggings, pajamas, there's everything. But yeah, I'm going to take a bunch of photos in all these clothes. Or of these clothes. I need to sneeze again. Oh my god. Let's take photos of these clothes and some in. Oh my god, I look like I'm crying. I'm not. But a little disclaimer. I'm selling these clothes because I'm planning on using that money to buy more clothes. Whereas if my mum was going to be buying me more clothes, I just give them to her to sell. And you get what I mean, right? Okay guys, so I was just sitting here, posting the photos, as you could see, and I got my first like. Also I decided I'm only using Depop because it charges a lower fee than Poshmark does. Poshmark takes 20% and Depop really takes 10%. So yeah. Okay besties, it has been a good 3 months since I filmed that first part of this video. I mean, you can tell by the intro I said what's up dudes instead of hey besties. I filmed that first part back in May and now it's September. Anyways, a little update on how things have been going. One, I haven't sold any of my clothes, but that's okay. And I still have a whole bag I haven't yet to post. So I think I'm gonna do a cute little time lapse of me taking all the photos and putting them all up on the Depop. So that way just all my clothes are up there. We're good. Yeah. Also, if you want to check out my Depop, please do. It'll be linked in the description. It will be linked in every single one of my YouTube videos from now on. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so I've finally listed like every single one of my things that I'm selling on Depop. I wanted to show you some of my favorite things that I'm selling, and I'm mainly selling them because they're too small. Like every single item that I'm showing you right now are my favorite clothes and they're just too small. So the first one is this really cute pink mesh top. I'm gonna pull up the prices so that way you'll know. None of my items have been sold yet. If they have by the time this video goes up, I will have just said on the screen if these items are sold or not, but most likely they will not. I'm selling this mesh top for $15. The second one that I love, these bottoms. Now I've actually never worn them because they have for always and forever not fitted me. I'm selling them for $20. Next up, we have these really cute denim shorts. These are cheeky denim shorts with a really cute floral pattern on the sides. I'm selling these for $30 and they're normally 40 bucks. Okay, the next pair, they're like all shorts at the moment, are these really pretty white shorts. Oh my god, these are literally so pretty. I never got to wear them because they were a gift from a friend and they were too small. And I've always wanted to wear them and I'm like literally love these so much. I am selling them for $30 because I googled how much they are and they're about $50, which is so expensive. So I'm selling them for $30 because I'm pretty sure my friend did wear these because they were like secondhand ones gifted. The final pair of shorts I'm showing you are these really cute paper bag shorts. Y'all might not think they're cute, but I think they're really cute. And I just never wore them because I didn't have anything to pair them with, but I wore my black paper bag shorts all the time. They're also on here. I am selling them for $35 and they were originally $40. Alright, next we're on to my all-time favorite jeans. I love any jean from JJ's, literally my favorite. And I have 3 pairs that no longer fit me because I have a big butt. Anyways, they're all size 11, which I did put on all the posts that the sizing was other because I don't really know. So if you want me to like measure the waist and stuff, just message me about it. These adorable white ripped jeans that are still completely white. They do not have any stains on them. Also, I will iron all the clothes before set out. These are $50. Next, I have these light blue denim jeans. These are my go-to jeans. Love these so freaking much. They are called show-offs and they're kind of remind me of skinny jeans, but they're a little shorter leg. Now, I wore them so much that they're pretty stretchy already, but I also did stretch them a little. So I did write that in the description. These ones are being sold for $40 instead of $60 just because I did stretch them out. Second final piece of clothing that I'm showing you, another pair of jeans, are these black jeans. Oh my god, so cute. Now these are show-off jeans as well, but these are mid-rise. So they're not completely high-waisted, but they're also not completely low-waisted? Low-rise? I don't know. But these are mid-rise, so they sit in a pretty nice position. They aren't ripped, they're just plain black jeans. I'm selling these ones for $50 as well because they were in the same boat as the white. They didn't get worn too often. Okay, and the last clothing option, literally, I've never worn it, but I've worn the black version. I'm selling it for $15. Yeah, that's all the clothes I wanted to show you. Go shop my Depop. And yeah, thank you for watching this video of me selling all my clothes. It wasn't really all of them, but my original plan with this video was I was going to do a selling all my clothes and then I was going to do a buying my dream wardrobe, but like I took so long to put this video out that I've bought new clothes and my style keeps changing and I don't know, I don't really have the money to go buying my dream wardrobe. So if you all want that, go buy stuff off my Depop so I have money to spend on more clothes because I don't really have money to spend on clothes at the moment. But anyways, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what piece of clothing you liked the best. You can go look at my Depop and tell you. My Depop will be in the description below, the link to it. But if you all are too lazy to do that and you just want to know my Depop name, it is literally Maddie Talisha. No spaces, nothing. No capitals either. And I would really love if you went on there and bought some clothes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry this video took so long for me to put out. Lol, it only taking me like 3-4 months to put out. Anyways, bye besties.